All right, what's up, guys? Just wanted to jump off starting this video announcing the holiday sale, very early holiday sale. Just to try to take advantage of this bull run that we are in, I wanted to go ahead and give users some extra incentives here on jumping into the BumperBands program, or if they're in the program and want to upgrade to a yearly subscription, you get 27% off what the bands would cost. Or if you're a new member, 15% off your first month. You can use this code right here. And if you are someone who has been in the program a while, or a new user that wants to jump in and just go ahead and purchase these bands, the full complete package for lifetime, never expires, it is 25% off using this code right here. And so at checkout, I'll just show you, it'll let you put in the code over here on the right, and so you can just hit a discount code and that'll drop down and you can paste that code in there. So yeah, if you're doing a yearly subscription, it's already 12% off, and then you can enter the code and get another, 15% off. So total it will be 27% off, which will be a great deal for those who want to go ahead and sign up for a full year, or again, if you want to purchase the full complete bundle for lifetime, you can use this code right here. The crazy thing is, I've been trading a 10K account under 10K giveaway here. You guys can see we've already given away over around $1,500, and this week we'll probably give away another $300 or $400. So that's basically, we've just, by trading a 10K account, I'm almost have given away an equal to a full year subscription, which means my 10K account, because that's half of it, has almost made $5,000. Is it by now? Almost 4 or 5 grand. So yeah, if anyone was trading 10K and following along and trading these exact strategies, your account should be up 3,500 to 5 grand by the end of this week, which is just nuts. In 1 month or a month and a half, anyone that's been trading a 10K account following this exact thing could already buy the complete bundle, which is just nuts. Now, we are in a bull run. That's not necessarily indicative of every month of trading, but I will say things have been going really great. So that's a little plug to go ahead and buy the yearly or the lifetime package, and you guys can jump in and trade along with us on the BumperBands. Again, this is not financial advice. It is totally up to you what strategies you trade, how you trade them. I advise, making adjustments to the strategies, making them your own. But however you want to do that is up to you. All right, let's jump into some strategies. I had a question on Discord, a couple of questions actually. One was about short strategies. 1186 asked what short strategies I would recommend and what short strategies did well during the bear market. So we'll look at that in a second. But then another member asked what are some of my favorite strategies to be trading. And this would be probably one of my top favorites to be trading right now. It's just the BumperBands 30. So if you're over here in the Discord and you go to Crypto Longs, it's the very top one, the BumperBands 30 right here, and has a couple different versions of it in here. But yeah, this one has just been doing incredibly well, low drawdown, and yeah, you can see over the past few months, yeah, so you can see since August, the account is up 50%, and that's trading with no leverage. The drawdown's only 4%. So, if you're trading at 2 leverage, that means the net profit would be 100%. At 3 is 150. Again, I don't recommend leverage, or I recommend you really understanding what leverage does. I personally trade with 2 or 3 leverage usually to keep things really far away from getting liquidated. Another strategy that is really great is the VMP with the BBWP here. That's also in the Discord. And an incredibly low drawdown. It takes less trades, but it has a lower drawdown. And if you take the BBWP up to, say, 25 or 30, it's going to take your max drawdown even further down. And then another thing that I have done is put the take stop loss and take profit at about 5% and make them a limit. So we'll kind of see what this does here real fast. Once that updates, so yeah, max drawdown is now down to 4%, and you can take the max stop loss down to 5 and the take profit to 5 and enable both of those, which will just give you a limit stop loss, makes sure that you don't lose more than 5% in one trade, and take profit, the max you can make in one trade. But yeah, it just kind of really protects against some extra drawdown. But yeah, so since the year 2022, drawdown has only been 4%, and you can see every month almost has been green, except for July of 23 and May of 2024. But those are down just just the smallest amount. So this strategy, if you are wanting to be real safe, it takes less trades. You can see here this other strategy won a couple trades, had a loss, while this strategy avoided that loss and just got some more of the winning trades. So it's a bit of a more protected strategy. Again, taking less trades but having better drawdown. Another one of my favorites is the Injective, actually the 30-minute. Oh, that's not on here. I'll jump back to this 5-minute in a second. Another one of my favorites is this 10-minute strategies, whether it's Solana or Bitcoin. You can see both of these are doing incredibly well. They tend to catch the lows really well. And so, yeah, you can see we just entered a trade here. Currently, I am trading this. We'll see. Who knows if it's a win or loss. Today, we've had a bit of a down day in the markets. So we'll see if this is an actual bounce that closes in as a win or as a loss. But regardless, it caught a nice place to enter a trade. So yeah, these are two of my favorites that I am currently trading. So the Bitcoin 30-minute, the Solana 10-minute, and the Bitcoin 10-minute. Another one I'm also trading is the Bitcoin 5-minute, just because we're in a bull market right now. And you can see this one has just been doing really great recently. It didn't have as bad of drawdown when Bitcoin was struggling around the past few months. It generally was in the green for most of all of that. And you can see now Bitcoin has caught up to it a little bit. If Bitcoin continues to go sideways, the strategy will catch back up to it. So this one tends to stay a little bit more on par with what Bitcoin is actually doing and how it's performing. You can see it takes advantage of some of the volatility. And so I'm currently trading this. Now, it has a high average trade right now because we are in a general bull market. But when we're in a bear market or sideways, the average trade is pretty low, and so I would not recommend. I personally am not going to be trading it. Probably past January. We'll kind of see where the market's at and what it's doing. But okay, let's jump to a couple others. The other one that I don't have up here that I do trade is the Solana 30-minute. Right now, Bitcoin and Solana are the two top ones. ETH has not been performing well at all. So I generally pick the top 2 coins per cycle and trade those, Bitcoin always being one of them. And we'll see next cycle what the other one is. But let's jump over here to Injective. So this is a strategy I just finished. I'm actually about to update this again. But it's using the Solana 5-minute bands. And I'm probably going to make a custom band for this strategy in general. But over the history of Injective, it's done really well. And actually, it will be even better when I post an update of this in the next couple days. But so this is one that I have been just finishing, and I probably will start trading it because Injective is one of my other top coins I'm looking at for this cycle. Again, that's personally not financial advice. But all right, let's jump into some short strategies and kind of compare 2022 market to this market. So the 2022 market, you can see right here, the market was a pretty bearish market. It had a little bit of up, it kind of had a little bit of up period, and then for the most part the market was down. So this Solana 1 hour strategy, again, this is posted in the Discord for members that are gold tier and above. This strategy has done great, obviously, in the 2022 bear market. And if I take it to the full history, you can see actually it's done really well, even though Solana has gone to the upside. You can see that, yeah, it's done really well, obviously, during consolidation and down periods. Has not done as well the last month. And you can see in October of 2021, that was probably a pretty bullish month. I'm assuming that's this month right here. It had some downsides. So this strategy definitely has down markets. It's a short strategy, and so it's going to have, when Solana takes off to the upside, it's going to have a bit more negative returns. But I take this as more of a hedge. So it's yeah, it helps protect against me being just long all my strategies. So I'm actually letting the strategy continue to run even now. It's actually the only strategy. I had Bitcoin 1 hour on until a couple weeks ago. I turned that one off, and you can see why here in a second. Let's jump to that one. So this is a Bitcoin 1 hour, and yeah, over the last few weeks, really, it's gone negative, and that's just because it cannot. I mean, look at the strength of Bitcoin. It's just been a crazy upside market, and you can see over here in this market period where Bitcoin was ripping to the upside was the other time the strategy just took some major losses. It's a short strategy, so that's just going to happen in an upside market. It's going to take some major losses, have some big drawdown. I did have that on as a bit of a hedge, but I probably won't turn it back on until January. But again, during the bear market, these strategies have all done really well. So this is, the ADA strategy just did phenomenally well during that bear market there, the year of 2022. Took more than one trade a day and just crushed it. But you can see here, ADA took, or Cardano, whatever you want to call it, took a huge jump to the upside, probably one of the biggest ones really in a long, long time, and this strategy took a huge loss. Now, I'm not trading the strategy now. I don't think it's smart to be trading really volatile altcoins during a bull market because they will have random huge runs to the upside. So this one I'm saving. I will probably start trading it again during the bear market. Who knows when that will happen, whether it's beginning quarter or mid or end quarter of next year. I'm just going to be watching the markets and slowly getting into some short strategies. But yeah, this 15-minute strategy, same kind of thing, did really well. And then recently, over the past month, you can see it's taken some major dumps. So I've not been trading this one recently. Will, again, probably turn it on in a bear market. This is a second Solana strategy, so there's just two different options. This one didn't do quite as well so it's better during the bear market. You can see it's up 150%, more than one trade a day. So this strategy particularly is more for trading during bear markets. And yeah, I think we looked at most of the other ones. There's an XRP short strategy as well. So all of these are on the Discord for users to trade at their discretion. But I kind of just wanted to go through some strategies that I am trading and love, and some strategies I will in the future probably start trading. So, all right, that's it for today. Yeah, remember to, I'm going to throw this code back up here again. Where is that? I wanted to throw this code up here again. If you are a member or looking to become a member of the BumperBands Discord, make sure you use these coupons and get some extra percentage off for the next month. It is done. I forgot to write this here. I will make an edit. It's done December 2nd. So anytime between now and December 2nd, these coupon codes are valid. I hope you guys are having a great day. Stay safe. We're going to do another 10K giveaway in a few days here on Sunday. So stick around. If you are gold or complete tier member, you're eligible for the giveaway. And see you guys in the next one.